Pynkupbor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Ka Pyrkhatlang village organization ka balong ka way ni Kynthei Traymon ngobha ha kasnong Domjirti Southwest Khasi Hills District kala lumlang yi kilong kami bat yi Kynthei ki basong basa ha gani kasnong ban ajing hikai halor ka jing Pynkupbor yaki ha ka jingelang ka bala sakilang do block development officer jong ka Maukarwat block uba ai lauriniang u executive director ka Kudum Bashri National Resource Organization u manu sarkar bat kiway Hagani ka jo ka snila pleru ya ka Nutri Garden ha ka bala bet ya ki simbai jhor bat ki jhor ki jhep ki ba mi nakani ka kper an salit ra shaga Aganwadi Center ka badan hagani ka shnong.
What I notice is that there is this new concepts, new ideas we have brought with them, especially this ideas of children's group. I think it's rare, and we have formed children's group. It's very important because in the village, it starts right from a very early age to know things, to be aware of what to do. Especially just now we have seen, they have done this saving, the systems of saving, right from their childhood, how to save. And also I have seen this another concept of Nutri Garden. I have had the privilege of opening one Nutri Garden in Pending. I think that also is a very nice concept because we have arranged everything, who will manage, who will run the Nutri Garden, how things will go on, how they distribute the produce from there, everything is arranged. So it was a very nice concept. Also, we have done this village, what they have said, the village poverty reduction plan. And this, I think, it gives power to the people. Sometimes we always think that power comes from above. We always wait for God to do this thing and that thing. But we forget that power is within you. See, this is the participation of the people in the village. These groups of, especially most of the movement, okay, they come together and demand what we need in our village. This is what we say is empowerment at the ground level. So, for Namta Gini, Namshasham, Eka, Nini, but Lale, along with Eka, Kamha, Bunsi, Shamba, Nihi, John Kapor, and he let the man, the department of Pair, General Company, General Company, New York. They Bunsi limited, whatever Jimba, Kajute, Pyrkhatlang, anymore. The Lale, Panora, and good convergence come to organize federation, they got back to the department to repair. Hadine convergence come, good in Jimtep, but enrollment,
we all come from Kerala. It is some of the experiences that we learned from Kurbistan Kerala. Many of you have come, I know. That is experience that we are also trying to share with the community in Meghalaya. So Kerala is also a poor state that way. I mean, but what we do is, we always do not depend on the government to respond. But there is a lot of community resurgence. And there is a lot that the SGs in Kerala has played, so that, at least with regard to social development indicators, Kerala could prosper. So this is what Meghalaya should also be doing. This is what the community should also be doing. And with the work that you have put it in 1 year, there is a lot of scope for the village organization to improve, and there is a lot of confidence and there is a lot of potential in all of you. Your groups are known as SHGs. And what is the full form of SHGs? Full form of SHGs are, it means self-help groups. You are helping yourself. But in the last 1 year, and what you have presented now and what you have been doing in last 1 year, you are not just helping oneself, you are also helping others. You are helping the community. You are contributing to the development of your village. And this is what all religions preach. And this is what as community you should also always keep in mind, that what all activities that you are undertaking as part of your village organization, as part of SGs, it should help the entire community as a whole. No community in the world has developed who has not actually helped each other. If you are looking at only our own affairs, then as a community we will never develop. So what you will also have to keep in mind is you have to put efforts so that as a community we are able to develop, we are able to contribute to the development of the state, and we are also able to contribute to the development of the country as such.